Hi, everyone. So, for those that have been loving the spooky, witchy, creepy spirit sightings and dealings, I have another one for you. So, I have a piece of equipment or piece of furnishing in my house that has come from somewhere else that until now hasn't really been an issue. But I've been feeling energy actually in this room more and more. And it was starting to bother me, not in a creepy way, just that it was energy I didn't ask to be here. So I was looking closer, and someone the day before had brought to my attention about this piece of furniture. And so the more I looked, I found that that's where this energy is coming from. This piece of furniture has become a portal into my space. And the entities are coming because they need transportation back to where they're supposed to be. So they're coming here as kind of their free space. They're coming here so then they can be transported. So it's not just a clear out and don't worry about them. I need to help them. So over the next few days, that is going to be my thing, is to ask who's supposed to come through, close up the portal, and help them do and go where they're supposed to. And then turn my space back into the loving, calm, ever so awesome space. And not that it's not awesome now. There's just things here that don't need to be. So the energy is a little more hectic than normal. So stay tuned, and I'll be back soon with an update.